Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Lexus ES 350. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked to avoid distractions. Next, grab your mobile device and make sure its Bluetooth is enabled and set to be discoverable. Then, on your Lexus Infotainment system, press the menu button, usually located on the dashboard or touchpad, to bring up the main menu. From there, navigate to the Setup option. This is where we'll begin the pairing process. Once you're in the Setup menu, select Bluetooth from the available options. The system will then ask if you want to add a new Bluetooth device. Confirm by selecting Yes or Add New Device. Your Lexus ES 350 will now enter pairing mode and begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth-enabled devices. Keep your phone close to the vehicle during this step to ensure a strong signal. You should see your phone's name appear on the Lexus display shortly. After your phone's name appears on the Lexus display, select it to proceed. A PIN, typically a 4-digit number, will then be shown on both your Lexus screen and your mobile device. It's crucial to confirm that these two PINs match exactly. If they do, accept the pairing request on both your phone and the Lexus system. This final confirmation establishes the secure Bluetooth connection, allowing for hands-free calls and audio streaming. If you encounter any issues, try restarting your phone and the Lexus Infotainment system. Sometimes, simply turning Bluetooth off and on again on your device can resolve minor glitches. If problems persist, delete any old or failed pairings from both your phone and the car's Bluetooth menu, then try the process from the beginning. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Enjoy your newly connected Lexus ES 350.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.